Hey there crew, it's Mark from MENWHOBULLET. It's the follow-up video to my ginormous stationery package delivery that I got the other day. I got stuff from Cute Things from Japan, which is what we're gonna cover today. I got stuff from Archer and Olive last time, and I got that beautiful surprise. It was everything. It was washi tapes and stickers and all kinds of nice things from Kay from Stuck On Creations with a really, really nice note congratulating me for hitting 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So today's video is just gonna focus on the Cute Things from Japan. I am obsessed with Eric Smallthings. If you're not familiar with her, she is a Japanese eraser stamp artist. She carves all of her own stamps out of erasers, and it's just beautiful, and I love her stuff so much, and I've just become obsessed. I can blame it all from Nicole from Plans That Blossom. She told me about her, and it's just been a nonstop love fest with Eric Smallthings since. So Cute Things from Japan just did another collaboration with Eric Smallthings, and I purchased like all of the things plus a little bit more. So let's go ahead and check out everything that I got as a part of this stationery delivery from Cute Things from Japan. What's so cool is that even though they're in Japan, they get orders here so fast, so fast. This is like 3 days from when I placed my order. I now have it here. We're ready to open it up. I'm excited for this order because I have a bunch of stuff from Eric Smallthings. If you are not familiar with Eric Smallthings, she is a Japanese eraser artist. She makes stamps. I just love her design so much. So anytime anything comes out from Eric Smallthings, whether it's stamps, whether it's stickers or washi tape, I have it all. I just get so excited about it. And so we placed an order. So let's go ahead and open it up. We've got it right here. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Oh, it's Eric Smallthings wrapping paper. See, and then I get myself in trouble because now I want to save this wrapping paper and not mess it up. I don't know what I would ever do with it, but I would do something with it. So it's Eric Smallthings on the front. I love it. All right, Cute Things from Japan. We're a small stationery shop in Tokyo run by two sisters. Thank you so much for your kind support of our little shop. We live so far away from you, but we hope that one day we can meet in our shop. Happy Stationery Day. This is an absolute beautiful stationery day. You can find them on Instagram, Cute Things from Japan _official, and you can see why I love them so much. So beautiful wrapping as always. You know, the packaging, the presentation is always great. You gotta appreciate that. I like to hold on to all of the stuff so the string will go inside of a little save bin. We will carefully open up this. I know that I'm gonna rip it. Luckily they are nice and they use washi tape to wrap their stuff. I hope you're ready for this. Like seriously, this might be my favorite order of all time. Oh my gosh. All right. So first things first, I got a little stationery stamp. This is from Eric Smallthings. You can see, like, I just love her style so much. I've been thinking a lot, like, what do I love about her style? Well, I just love the thin lines of the stamps. She's actually inspired me to create my own stamps. I can't do exactly what she does, but I always try. So I love this one. I actually got this one for my bullet journal. Really great. Button on there, stationery. This will actually join my collection that I have here, two little woodblock stamps, one that says sketchbook and one that says good day. So this is a fun one that says stationery. So we'll join them over here, excited for that. Next thing here, this is from Midori. So I always really like this. I actually have, as I continue to stand up, where all of my stamps are. So I actually got this calendar stamp from Midori a while ago, and I've used it a lot as a self-inking stamp. So when I went online, and you have to order about $100 to get free shipping, and because it's so far away and I don't order from them all the time, I usually do order about that much. So sometimes after I get what I want, I do a little extra shopping. So this is another self-inking stamp from Midori, and what's really cool is it's just something you can pop on your page and like write a quick note. I thought I could use it for some quotes or just a real quick what happened in my day, a way to kind of build in some journaling with it. So excited to have that as a part of the collection. Here we go. All of the really good things. So first things first, I got this here. So I absolutely love the packaging, Eric Smallthings. I think everything else in here is from Eric Smallthings. On the back, it says, have a good weekend. How are you? Hello, Smallthings, Eric. And I just think it's so nice. This is stamps. You're gonna see a lot of stamps today because I'm obsessed with Eric Smallthings. Just bottom line, just call it what it is. All right, so really cool cover here, and then inside we have ourselves a little coffee deal, And then we have 4 more of these woodblock stamps. So I absolutely love these. We have one that says enjoy music, have a good weekend, how are you? A little coffee shop, and enjoy the small things with a cup of coffee and a little fountain pen. So I thought these were so beautiful, so nice. I have a nice box, so these can go with the rest of my collection now. So really excited about this. Yay. Okay, so these right here, this is most of the reason why I ended up going with an order this time around. The reason is Eric Small Things partnered with a journal company and made some journals, and I was like, I have to have it. And oh my gosh, more wrapping paper. I'm so excited about this. What can I do with wrapping paper? Someone tell me. It's like an envelope. Envelope wrapping paper. All right, ready? Because I'm not ready for it. Ah, look at that. All right, so it's a 2-pack. Little journals here, you can see. This one over here just says notebook, hello cute things, and it has some little cool little designs there on the front. And then this one says notebook as well, hello cute things, and it's just in a different color, the blue, as you can see, with some other cool little drawings there on there too. Inside of these notebooks is grid. Really nice, and I just absolutely love it. And it's a really cool collaboration between Eric and Cute Things from Japan. I just love it so much. So we got that. Also inside of here is a little notebook. This is an entire little deal about the relationship with Eric Small Things and Cute Things from Japan. What is this? It's a little sticker. We got a little sticker. And just talks about their relationship and talks about Eric and what went into creating this notebook. So I'm really excited about it. I'm going to read through it and keep it as a part of just this cool little fun collection. Travel Japan with Cute Things from Japan is also inside of here. That's what's in here. And then because I have a problem, we are all very well aware of this. I just thought, well, I'm not going to shop here very often, and those are some little notebooks, so I got 2 more. So I got 4 notebooks technically in here, but 2 of them the same. I'm just such a fan. I just absolutely love it, and I've been thinking about ideas to use these, and it's more of a collection. Again, I'm going to use them, but you know, collector's items, anything Cute Things from Japan, anything to Eric Small Things, you can just rest assured that I will be purchasing them. All right, also from this pack, I got some Hello Small Things, little stamp stickers. Definitely thought that I could use these inside of my notebook, and I will be. I like it a lot as part of their collaboration. This is another one as well that we got, so Hello Small Things. It's a little bit more of like an outdoor stationery type deal. So again, things that I can use inside of my notebook. So always a big fan, always really excited about that. All right, next things, Hello Small Things. We've got a collaboration with Eric. I got myself some more clear stamps. So I wasn't able to get these before because they were sold out, but I just thought these were absolutely beautiful. We have the fountain pen here. We've got the ink bottle. We have some to and from, some stamps, some borders, just honestly everything that I want in my entire life. It's right here, and I'm so excited about it to use these just for whatever I need, honestly. That's just what it is. It's whatever I need it to be. And then I got some other ones. So these are Hello Small Things, collaboration with Erico. Eric Small Things, Erico is her name. And these were really cool as well. So these are more like travel stamps that are here. I just love the way they looked. Find your happiness, create my canvas. It gets better with time. Little clocks and things like that on here, which are really cool. Inspiration, don't give up, well-deserved, opportunities, step by step. And it's the little things with a bunch of Eric's little doodles that are inside of here. So excited to use these, excited to have them and do more things with them. All right, this I'm really excited about. So a little bit of story time. So I ordered this whole order, and then I get an email from the owner of Cute Things from Japan. She's like, hey, Mark, thank you for your order. I see that you're a big Eric Small Things fan. Something's coming out at the end of the month that I really can't tell you about, but I think you're really gonna like it. So would you want potentially to get this thing? And she gave me like a little baby of a hint of what it was. And I said, absolutely, I need to have it. Anything Eric Small Things, it's mine. I need to have it. So I'm a big fan. So if you're a fan of Kitta and these little tabs that are here, there is a collaboration between Eric Small Things and Kitta. So what these are like little matchbooks, but they have like sticker tabs inside of them. I've actually bought some of these before, and I don't use them as often as I want to, but every now and again I do. So what's really cool about it, so it closes like a little matchbook, so you can store it just like this if you want to. It has the Eric Small Thing stuff on there, and you just pop it up, and these are just like little kind of like Post-it note tabs that you pull off, and they're stickers. So we have one on here that's just like the Eric Small Things, just like little doodles here, similar to what's on the cover here. Thank you for everything. Nice day. We also have another one that has a bunch of stationery on it, which I love. Have a good time. Enjoy the small things is that bottom one there. So you peel all of these off here and just have so much fun. And I'm so excited that I have them. So much so that I ordered two. Just had to get them. Again, I feel like, oh gosh, what am I doing, Mark? Like, you're ordering so much stuff, but you know, I don't order from here a lot, but when I do, I order a good amount of things. Oh, I also forgot, sorry, I did order a whole other pack. Oops. There was 2 different styles. I ordered 2 of each. Don't judge me. So same thing, 10 sheets, 4 designs. All Eric Small Things. This is the different design that's on here. So we have Nice Day, stamps to do with a little dog on top of there. How cute is that? We also have My Favorite Things in Sketch and Creative. Love it. Good Morning, a little bit kind of like a more of a baking theme going on. And then Break Time, Hello, kind of keys and some journals and things like that too. So had to get it. And I'm no regrets. I love this. I'm gonna put one away and then one to actually keep out and use, and then we're in a good spot. This is massive, by the way. This is a massive unboxing. All right, what do we got going on next? So they did have some more stickers. Every now and again, I like to play with some stickers and put them in there. So we did have these really cool stickers that you see here. So these were cool because they came in different color tones. So this was the gray color tone. So it has a lot of grays on there, foxes and some outdoor stuff and some trees and some like little itty bitty stickers on top of here. And then I got the green one. And this one has like alligators and beds and cars and some other little icons down there too. So it's just like a little bit of like a different feel. I don't have anything like it, you know, pick off one of these, add a little something to your page. Thought I'd try them out. Never used them before. So excited to have these here. And then the last thing that I ordered, because I needed to get up to that $100 really more than anything, are these cool little corner tabs. So the little sticky tabs, so you can stick them to your paper and then it creates a little tab and you can see that it has these cool designs here on the inside. So those will pop out. I've been using a metal tab that I got recently. And the other day I like ran my hand across my notebook and it like sliced my finger. And I was like, maybe I don't put the tab on the top. So maybe you put it on the side. Maybe that makes more sense. So I'm not like hurting myself, but I thought I could potentially use these in there as well. So I was really excited about it. And then one of my favorite surprises from Cute Things from Japan is they always include like a little bag of goodies. And every time I get them, I put them inside of this box and it has just like little papers and things like that. And I've been trying to use them more in my bullet journal. So let's go ahead and see what we got inside of here. It's always fun stuff. Little papers and whatnot. All right, so the first thing that we have inside of here is a little note. It says, thank you very much, as always, for your kind support of our shop. I'm very happy to finally release these notebooks in collaboration with Eric. And she named it Tsubame. I don't know how you pronounce that, but that's what it's called. It says that she actually wants help with this notebook to fill it out. And so it's asking for people to use these journals and then to scan it and send it back to them. And they're going to put something together for Eric. How cool would that be if something I created was there for Eric Small Things? That would be amazing. I'll read that on my own. There's some other little links and things in there. So here's the other goodies. We got some little stickers. Look at these little things. It's like avocados and food and grapes and pears. So that's pretty neat. I always love these little things. Oh, they're just in different colors. And here's some other things. Little pictures. Look at that, like coffee shop, a little sky, windmill, some flowers, little treats. This is super cool. Again, I would never know to buy anything like these here. So different colors, all these like monochrome approaches to that. So that's so cool. I love that. And then we got some little papers. We always got little papers. I still don't know what to do with my little papers, but I'll put them in my collection for now. All right, so this first one has a bunch of signs on it. Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, all of those are on there. Love that. Oh, Oh, it's the same thing, but a different color here. That's kind of cool. Ooh, and I really love this one. Look at this. I like this one a lot. It's a little outer space looking one. That's super cool looking. All right, so I will fold these up nicely and put them into my little box. I don't even know what to tell you is my favorite items. I mean, between the new stamps that I got, between the cool little Kitta stickery deals in here, my new notebooks that I have, I mean, I'm such a Eric Small Things fan. Like, I'm just in my glory right now. And I can't wait to start using more of this inside of my bullet journal. In some of my Plan With Me's, you may have heard me referring to my style as someone named my style, which is minimal twist, right? The minimal functionality of a bullet journal, but with a twist and adding some fun. And that's where a lot of this stuff is going to come into play. Adding a cool stamp into a page that's functional, or adding a little bit of decoration with something that makes me happy. This is what it's all about right here. It's not about having to use that to create the bullet journal spreads, but instead using this to add that little bit of happiness to it and something that you really enjoy to your bullet journal and making it your own. So you'll be seeing plenty of this in my future Plan With Me's and videos. I appreciate you hanging out with me today and hopefully getting the same excitement that I feel from it. I'll link all of the products for you down below. If you're interested in picking up any of these items, hopefully none of it is sold out. Things tend to go pretty quick because they will only have like a limited supply of them. So fingers crossed for you if you wanted to get anything. Again, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you very soon. Happy planning.